In this video, I am going to teach you how to create and send a document in PandaDoc. So in order to create and send your document in your PandaDoc, you need to head over to their website, which is PandaDoc.com. From in there, you should be able to see in here this part. And into this, you can head over and click on to this Get Started if you do not have an account yet. However, if you already have an account, you can click on to this login option right there in order to actually log in. Now, once you have successfully logged in, you should be able to create and send a document. In order to create a document, I have in here this Help Center article that can help us with this case. Just head over and click onto this Create New option right here in order to create a document and click onto this Document option right there. You can choose or upload a file from your computer, or you can also choose one from the template gallery that they have right there. Now in here, you can just choose which one you want. You can add some content blocks like pricing tables, videos, text, regular tables, page breaks, initials, card details, and the likes. Now in here, just add those right there. Add as well code builders if you would want. You can change the design, the fonts, the sizes, and in here, in order to send it out, you can click onto this invite option in order to invite your recipients. And you can rename your documents and click onto this send right here in order to send these documents to people that you want to send it with. So those recipients can also edit these documents if you haven't locked some elements yet. So make sure to lock some elements that they should not be able to tamper as well. So in here, you can actually send this to them and just wait for a feedback for them for this particular PandaDoc document. So that's how you create and send a document in PandaDoc. Hope we helped.